how to fix background app refresh grayed out on iPhone. So if you want to fix your background app refresh grayed out on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. But before that, make sure that you have restarted your iPhone. Once you restart, then you can open up your settings. Under your settings, you can scroll down, go with the screen time section. Under your screen time, go with content and privacy restrictions. From your content and your privacy restrictions, you will have background app refresh or background app activity, which is on the bottom. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, now here you will have allow and don't allow, right? So make sure that you allow your background app activity changes. Once you allow this, now you can go back, and then go with the general section. Under general, you will have background app refresh. Now here, if it is turned off, then you just need to simply go with the background app refresh and turn it on. But here, if it says that when in low power mode, background app refresh is disabled. So make sure that your low power mode is turned off. So you need to go with the control center, turn off your low power mode, and as you can see that your background app refresh has been turned on. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.